Welcome to DD Garden TV. In this video, we will see how to get more yield from the pepper in our pot. But you can also make these applications for pepper in your garden. There are places where peppers fork. If you can see where they fork from, the main body comes and begins to disperse into separate branches. Like a tree, form begins to form. None of the leaves or branches under this fork are of any use to us. All of these need to be severed. We don't want him to give pepper here at all. If you are caring for the pepper seedlings you planted in your soil, do not necessarily take the branches and leaves under the fork and try to give pepper from here. It's also here too, it's blossoming over there, but I don't want that. I'm tearing that off too. Let's do such a cleaning, let them get some air. In the leaves that are trying to come out new, it has a negative effect on us, as it will attract the nutrients of the plant. There will be a chance to leave what we have plucked here and gradually form mulch. In this way, we can give relief to our peppers and try to increase the air indoors, as much as possible. With the application we make, it tries to prevent some fungal diseases. Here, together with a very dense set of leaves, we take an additional precaution so that there is no chance of creating some diseases by keeping the moisture inside, and since they will also prevent the development of the plant, tear them off as much as possible so that your plant continues to grow in a much healthier way. In the meantime, we can also make some supplements from our monster tomato fertilizer. As I explained earlier, first shake it well, let's sprinkle it with a little bit of soil. Let's try to mix a little. If you remember in this, there is an eggshell. It will not provide us with calcium very quickly, but it serves us towards the end of the season, since it becomes powdery over time. However, there was magnesium salt and aspirin. These are also important for the development of the plant. When we water it, it will get into the ground. And it's good if you use this fertilizer once a month, every 5 weeks. Whenever you feel the need, when you use it, spread it over the soil in this way, mix it a little bit. If you put it before watering, it will be very useful. See you in another videos. We wish everyone beautiful gardens.